Hi everyone, my name is Leena Krishna. I am from CSCC. Today I am going to explain Mathematics 2 seminar from the interpolation, and I took the topic Gauss forward interpolation formula. Generally, interpolation is used to find the values between a range of values, range of given intervals. So, to find the Gauss forward interpolation formula, we should construct a difference table. Suppose if we take this one as x0, and the previous one will become x suffix minus 1, and the previous one x suffix minus 2, and the next one x suffix 1, and the next one x suffix 2. If this is x0, the corresponding value will become y0, and similarly for x suffix minus 1 it is y suffix minus 1, and x suffix minus 2 it is y suffix minus 2, and for x1 it is y1, and for x2 it is y2. So these are the entries x1, x2 and y1, y2s. So this is the difference, this first difference, second, third and fourth. So this is delta y. So these are all first differences. So this first difference is obtained by subtracting this one from this one. So delta y suffix minus 2. So delta y suffix minus 2 equal to y suffix minus 1 minus y suffix minus 2. Similarly, this will become delta y suffix minus 1, and this one delta y naught, and this one delta y1. So this is the first differences, and the corresponding next one are delta square y. These are the second differences. So this is obtained by subtracting this one from this one. So this is delta square y suffix minus 2, and this one delta square y suffix minus 1, delta square y naught. These are the second differences, and the third differences are delta cube y. Delta cube y. This is obtained by subtracting this one from this one. So delta cube y suffix minus 1. And this one is obtained by subtracting this one, delta square y suffix minus 1 from delta square y naught. So we denote it as delta cube y suffix minus 1. This is minus 2. And the last one is delta power 4 y suffix minus 2. So first we should construct a difference table, and we should denote all the differences. Now if we take initial approximation or x0 value here, then we should follow the following pattern. First we should, as it is a forward, we should move below. You can draw a line for our convenience. Next again move upward, next again downward, next again upward. So we should follow this given pattern to find the Gauss forward interpolation formula. Now I am going to explain Gauss forward interpolation formula. Gauss forward interpolation formula is given by so we have a formula, and it is denoted as y equal to f of x equal to y naught. So the corresponding initial value y naught plus p by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y suffix minus 1 plus p plus 1 into p minus 1 by 3 factorial into delta cube y suffix minus 1 plus p plus 1 into p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 4 factorial delta power 4 y suffix minus 2 plus so on. So this is the Gauss forward interpolation formula. We can easily remember this formula because here y naught is repeated twice, and y suffix minus 1 is also repeated twice, and similarly y suffix minus 2 will also be repeated twice. And if we observe, as is a Gauss forward formula, we are moving downwards. So this is p in the second term, and in the next term it will become p minus 1. As you are moving below, we can remember like that. And the next term, by compensating p minus 1, p plus 1 will be introduced, and in the next term again p minus 2, and in the next term we get p plus 2 also. So in this way we can easily remember, and we have the formula to find the p also, that is p equal to x minus x naught by h. Here h is the interval of difference, x is the given value in this sum, and x naught is the nearest value to the given x. So h is interval of difference between any two. Here the value of p lies in the range of 0 less than p less than 1. So this is the basic introduction, Gauss forward interpolation, constructing the table, difference table and formula and the value of p. Now I am going to explain a problem based on this formula. So the given question is, use Gauss forward interpolation formula to find f of 23 given that. So they gave the information x values and y values, and we should find the value of f of 23 by using Gauss forward interpolation formula. To find this we should construct a difference table. So the given values, I have noted the x values and noting the corresponding y values: 9.21, 17.54, 31.82. So when x is 40, 35.32, 92.57. So these are x values and these are the corresponding y values from the given data. Now we should find the differences, first difference, second, third and fourth. I have already calculated all the differences using Calc. Now I am noting the values. So 17.54 minus 9.21, that is 8.33. So this is the first difference, and the next one is 31.82 minus 17.54, it is 14.28. The next one 35.32 minus 31.82, it is 3.5. And the last difference is 57.25. So these are all the first differences. We got these by subtracting this term minus this one. Similarly all the terms. Now we have to calculate the second difference. This can be done by subtracting this one from this, that is 14.28 minus 8.33, it is 5.95. And the next one 3.5 minus 14.28, it will be negative minus 10.78. And the next one 57.25 minus 3.5, it is 53.75. So these are the second differences. And the next we should find the third differences also similar manner. So it is minus 16.73 and this one 64.53. So these are the third differences, and next we should find the final difference. It is 81.26. Okay. So after the given data we should construct the table and we should find all the differences. So from the given question f of 23, we should find f of 23. So the given x value, given x equal to 23. So the x naught is the nearest value from the given table. So nearest 23 is 20. So this is treated as x naught, and the corresponding value is treated as y naught, and x naught equal to 20. Now y naught is also 17.54 corresponding value. Now we should take the interval of difference, that is h. So h is interval of difference, so difference between any two, h equal to 10. Now we have the formula to find p. So the formula is p equal to x minus x naught by h. So what is x here? 23 minus x naught is 20, by interval of difference h is 10. So 3 by 10, it is 0.3. Already we know the range of p lies between 0 to 1. So we got p value as 0.3. Now note down the Gauss forward interpolation formula. Gauss forward interpolation formula is given by y equal to f of x equal to y naught plus p by 1 factorial into delta y naught plus as I have already told you that y naught will repeat it twice, and similarly all the terms. So after p into p minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y suffix minus 1. Next, after getting the negative term, again positive term will be introduced. So p plus 1 into p minus 1 by 3 factorial into delta square y suffix minus 1 plus, so next p plus 1 p minus 1 into p minus 2 by 4 factorial into delta power 3 y suffix minus 2. So here y suffix minus 1 is also repeated twice, and similarly y suffix minus 2 will also be repeated. So this is the formula. Now we have to substitute. As I have told you that the corresponding value is y naught, and we have to follow this direction. So there is nothing, so no need to calculate delta power 4. So we should use these values. So now we have p value as 0.3. Now substituting the p value in the given formula. So y naught is, I'll write here, so y of x equal to y naught 17.54 plus p. What is p? Already I told that p is equal to 0.3. So 0.3 by 1 factorial into delta y naught. So this is delta y naught 14.28 plus p 0.3 into p minus 1, 0.3 minus 1 by 2 factorial, it is 2, delta square y minus 1. So this will become delta y naught, this will become delta square y suffix minus 1, and this will become delta cube. So this is delta cube, this is delta power 4. So this delta cube y suffix minus 1 and delta power 4. Actually it is not needed, as we did not get anything above the formula. So p minus 1 by 2 into delta square y suffix minus 1 is 5.95 plus p plus 1, 0.3 plus 1 into p 0.3 into p minus 1, 0.3 minus 1 by 3 factorial means 3 into 2. So delta cube y suffix minus 1 is minus 16.73. So we need to calculate the delta power 4 term. So from the given formula, we should identify every term and we should write in the similar manner. So now I am simplifying this. I have calculated these values using Calc to reduce time consumption. So 17.54 plus 0.3 into 14.28, we get the value 4.284. So this value is 4.284. Next, here 0.3 into 0.3 minus 1 means here this is minus 0.7. So we can know that it is a negative value. So place negative sign. And by calculating this, I got the value as minus 0.62475. Next term, 0.3 plus 1, 1.3 into 0.3 into minus 0.7, and minus into minus it will become plus, so plus, and by calculating this whole value I got as 0.76122. So first I wrote the formula, and from the given table I have substituted everything in the given formula, and I have substituted simplified each term. Now finally by calculating all these, we will get the final result. So by using Calc and doing all this addition, so I got 21.96047. So this is the given value of f of 23. So in this way we can find any value from the given table by following this simple procedure. Thank you. Hope this helps you.